Hello students of Standard 8. Welcome to DAV Mall Public School. I am your English teacher Jagruti Meshram. Let's begin our today's online session of English. Today we will start with the new chapter, The Fun They Had of Your English Literature. The Fun They Had is written by Isaac Asimov. Before starting this chapter, let me ask you some questions. At what time you go to school? Do you like going to school? How many hours do you work on the computer in your school? Would you like to work longer? What would happen if your teachers were replaced by computers? Dear students, in this lesson, you will come across some difficult words. Here are some difficult words with their meanings. Crinkly means wrinkled. Attic, a room at the top of a building. Scornful, showing you think something is worthless. Show your dislike for something. Slot, a given space, time, or position. Now let us begin with the chapter The Fun They Had in detail. Margie is the main character of the story. She is a girl of 11 years of age. She writes a diary on night of 17th of May 2155. At that time, Margie writes an entry in her diary and she writes that Tommy found a real book and she is feeling so strange because in her times real books does not exist. They only have e-books, the virtual books. So books in the format of print on paper are extinct and so Margie is surprised to see a real book. Margie is reminded of her grandfather. He told her that his grandfather studied all the books that were printed on papers. So this kind of book is historical or ancient for them. Something which they cannot believe, they can't imagine. Margie is talking about the book that Tommy had found. She says that the pages of the book had turned yellow and they had been crushed as it was very old. The children found it very funny to read the words which stood still. Now, what does it mean by that the word that stood still? As the words were printed on the pages, they did not move. On the other hand, the books that Margie and Tommy read were online e-books. So, in the e-books, how it happens, the text keeps on moving as your screen moves, but it was different in books printed on paper. This was very strange experience for these children. When you have a book which is printed on paper, whenever you flip the pages, you to get to see the same thing written on the pages. On the other hand, in an e-book, the text keeps on changing on the screen. The screen is same. You have the same screen in front, but the text keeps on changing. So, whenever you go back, the text is different. Tommy disliked the printed book. He said that it was waste because he felt that whenever you complete reading a book, you have to throw it away. You cannot have same different story written on the same book. On the contrary, he felt that computer screen was very good because the same screen had shown him many books and still he could read many more on it. He would not have to throw the screen away when once he had read a particular story. Margie agreed with Tommy's opinion. Margie was 11 years of age and she has not read as many books as Tommy because Tommy was older than Margie. He was 13 years of age. Margie asked Tommy that where had he found the printed book. Tommy replied to Margie that he found the printed book in the storeroom of his house. He was so busy reading the book that he did not remove his glance from the books. Margie asked that what the book was about. Tommy replied that the book was about school, about going to school, about life of school. Margie hated the word school, and so she said that what was there to write about it? That an entire book had been written about school? Margie's school. Margie's school is a mechanical teacher. A mechanical teacher, that means the machine which teaches you, and not that school where we all go. Now, why did Margie hate school? Margie's school was a virtual classroom. It was not a real school like us we have today. So, in the future, we are thinking that school will be virtual classrooms. There will be machines that will be teaching the children. Margie hated this machine because it was giving her so many tests in geography, which was very difficult for her. She was performing very bad. Finally, her mother thought that there was something wrong with the machine. So, she called the county inspector to check it. The county inspector came to check the mechanical teacher. He was a round little man and he had a red face. He was carrying a big box full of tools with dials and wires. So, this man opened the machine. He was there to repair the computer. Once he had opened the computer, Margie wished that he would be unable to close it back because she did not like the computer. She did not like to study from this teacher. But the man was an expert, and within an hour he had repaired the computer and had closed it and made it ready to teach Margie once again. Margie gives a description of the computer. She feels that it is a very huge machine. It is black in color and she dislikes its appearance. It has a big screen and all the lessons appear on the screen and many questions are asked on the same screen which are difficult for Margie. Margie hated this mechanical teacher the most because she had to submit her homework and test papers on it. Margie had to write her homework and her test papers in a particular punch code, that is, a computing language. She had learned the language at the age of 6. Margie gives the description of computer. She feels it very huge, it is black in color and she dislikes its appearance. The machine checked the papers and calculated her marks in few seconds. So, county inspector said that Margie was getting bad marks in geography because the machine was not working properly. It was geared to a higher level. He said that something machines malfunctioned and that is what happened. He had slowed it down and set it to the pace of the learner of 10-year age. He said that Margie was learning at a good pace. He again patted Margie's head in order to cheer her up. Margie was sad because she did not want to learn. She did not want to study from this machine, and she wanted that inspector should take it away. Margie is reminded of the time when Tommy's mechanical teacher has been taken away for repair for almost 1 month, and he was enjoying his time as he didn't have any teacher. It had been taken away because the history sector of machine that taught history subject had been wiped out. So the mechanical teacher did not have any memory of it and had to be taken away for repair. Students, we will continue this chapter in our next session. Let us quickly recapitulate the story, the fun they had. The story opens with Margie writing in her diary about an old book that Tommy had found. However, Margie and Tommy live in the future world where education was completely computerized. They don't have schools. They have a special study room where a computer teaches them. The computer teacher is programmed and adjusts according to the need of each child. Now and then the computer teacher develops some fault which is fixed by a county inspector. Both Tommy and Margie wonder at the book found by Tommy in his attic. They wonder at the book as they read books on screen of computer teacher. Dear student, based on our today's topic, here is a short assignment for you to solve. Have a nice day. Thank you.